Today we have these three algebraic expressions which we tackle as an application. And the first question is talking about divide x squared over x squared minus 1 by x over x minus 1. This is simply a fraction. So in other words, if, for example, we have 1 over 3 divided by 2 over 5, definitely we talk about 1 over 3 times 5 over 2. We take the reciprocal. So definitely when we have to work out this, we shall have to apply the same and say we have x squared over x squared minus 1 divided by x over x minus 1. This means we have x squared over, when you look at this is a difference of two squares, which means you have x plus 1 and x minus 1. But because we want to change this, we take the reciprocal, which is x minus 1 over x. Looking at it carefully, we can see we have a common term here, which can be cancelled. And then we have also this x goes here x times. So the answer shall be x over x plus 1. That's correct. Look at our other application of the second question. What must be added to x, or 1 over x, to make it equal to x over 1? So we have 1 over x should be added to something we call m to make it x over 1. Simply, when you remain with x this side, we shall have m is equal to x over 1 minus 1 over x. When this one goes this side, it shall be negative. When you work out this, we have the LCM. The LCM of 1 and x is x. 1 comes into x times, which is x times x is x squared. X goes into x 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, so minus 1. So this is the right answer. A rectangle is x centimeters wide, and its area is x squared plus 1 centimeters. What is its length? The same application comes here. Why can't you work out and give me the answer in the description? Thank you.